Carnauba, bro?
Yeah.
How much you want for it? About 30? Quarter?
Yeah. That's good.
I said 30. I'm
Yeah.
close. I'm over.
Yeah, I think I would say go to video.
Well, yeah, it's 87.
23.
Yeah.
87.
Yeah, we out here at the car show. About 400.
Oh shit, hell yeah.
It's got a 400 trans, front rear end.
I'm just getting back to my feet, man. Shit, I hate.
Damn, you want to
I've been fucked up, bro.
good price sale.
Yeah. Now that's a good price though. That's a real good price. See, now you said 400, ain't it?
Yeah, the small block 400. Yep.
750 Holly.
Yep. Damn. The only thing I have problems with is this fucking pulley just keeps leaking. Might be leaking now. It's the fucking
So I've been fighting that fucked up last year and a half.
Damn, money color. That's a 71.
Huh?
You selling the Malibu also?
Hey, not the boo.
Projects.
What you like some rollers and stuff?
Yo, I got an 86. No, I don't know. I got an 87 box Chevy.
87. What you want for the buck? Okay, yeah, get it.
Motherfuckers are sleeping on it.
Yeah.
It's not bad. I think I got a picture of 331.
No Regals, no Buick Regals.
No. You selling your Regal? Or no?
It's complete or it's a roller. It's a roller.
Right here. I'm sorry, 300. 5075.
Do I gotta go tune this in?
This is my first time here.
What is this?
Got me, brother.
Are you racing?
Yeah.
Oh, you probably gotta go up there.
Go to the house.
That's the Harvey, so what's your
Here it goes right here, the car. David. 331.
Yeah, I think
5075.
just
Yeah.
all them cars that are lined up over there in that corner. If you go all the way there.
That's the box shit right there. This is
Okay.
This right now is primer. It had everything.
All it need is paint then?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I do. I got a paint shop, but I just
man?
I got other. It's my shit, right? So I push it to the
You push it to the
side,
back,
and I
yeah.
just sit in my dad's garage. I just,
So because I told him, man, getting back on my feet, I'm trying to give me another old school eventually. So
I got a 71 Impala 2 project.
Yeah.
They built it down there. I got a two-stage on that bitch.
Damn, come on, Queen, too.
And the only thing I'm like I said, 61 plus a break.
Yeah, boy, clean as hell.
I popped you some rad things.
What?
These here.
What's up, bro? How you doing?
hey, you like that? Hey, did you record that? Hey, did you record that? You recorded that? Sure. You recorded that? Hey. Yeah, the high school things there.
Oh, yeah.
Air suspension on it.
What? Vortex. Shit, I like that little Regal. Look good. What is it, Regal? Oh, over there, yeah.
Fix that motherfucker.
Striegel look good, shit. Yeah, that's what I said, shit. That motherfucker nice. Motherfucker clean as hell.
Good too. Sitting in full cut though. Who's the chef that is? They got the whole collar pulled off. Is that a hurt? 442. Let's play with 442. Oh, okay. Battery charger hooked up in the back. Lord.
Shit, that's what we should have. We should have bought a grill, shit. Nah, I ain't feel like cooking though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm fucking trying to cook out here. Oh, yeah, that's his shit right there. Yeah.
Take the next left, then turn left.
Yeah, that boy do look good.
1,000 feet, turn right.
Oh, it's just like your shit. Yeah, I gotta go, I gotta come, bro. I always like these. The Monte Carlos.
Yeah, they started racing yet? Or no? I said they started racing.
Hey, that look like the Caprice that we had in the garage, right?
We know what we're doing over here.
What?
Over there? It looks just like it. The old Caprice that you sold over there by that truck.
What's this, box Chevy? That bitch clean, huh?
My first time being close to it. It looks good.
Oh yeah,
Videos don't do it no justice.
yeah, PC paint. You said it don't look good when you get close to it?
I said, the video don't do no justice.
Oh, it don't make it look good?
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll make it look average.
Yeah.
You first get close to it.
What's going on? Nothing, man. We just looking. I said we just looking, that's all.
Oh, no, I thought you were filming. I don't want to be in your stuff.
Oh, no. Okay, all right. I ain't filming, though. All right.
Oh, you guys, he's over here wiping the car off. So what in the world? He's more worried about what the car looks like going out the track instead of preparation. So everybody can come over. That ain't gonna make it go no faster, Jack. Yeah, look at that now. Maybe make it work.
PC painted devil. You see PC painted devil? Shit, he can give me that. He can give me that same black, you heard? Yeah. Yeah, I think I want that. That's me right there. That all black. Hey Nate, yeah, that's the color right there. That black.
That's the color?
Yeah, you see that window? It said PC. They painted that and shit. He painted bag too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that's the color. I'm sticking with that shit. Shit, come on, we can walk over there. Shit.
Yeah. Hey, this me right here, man.
What? Oh yeah. I ain't gonna lie. This bitch looks better than that shit.
Yeah.
This bitch look good, G.
How you put your shit together?
Y'all can't tell me
That
y'all want to try that.
motherfucker nice, G. I drive that.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. That boy look good though. What, C8? Yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, you don't see a lot of Monte Carlo SS's. Every time I come, I never really see a lot of them. Like that body I got.
Yeah.
'72s and shit.
I like this motherfucker, Mike.
You like this?
There go that wind. That bitch was put on the track. They had to shut the track down.
Hey. Z28. That motherfucker look good. Need a wash though. Need a wash. It's alright. It ain't no Mustang and shit, but it's alright. Oh shit, here go the beast. Damn. Dark again. Good? Dark.
No, it's good. It's still recording.
Little ass neon. This is my, that's the first coming out of the head. That. I'm like, man, that looks so motherfucking shit. Yeah. Ah, that's cute. Okay. Yeah.
He can't drive, but I still think he was SRT
That's up for y'all ass, man.
You downplay the LS. That line gone. That's GM, baby. Fucked up in church and money. That Neon running pretty good.
Nah, they can't.
Yeah, they can't together. They can't together. We got another car here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. $5. I'm going across the street now. $5. Ain't nobody want to go over here. That Neon got fucked up though. Oh, they go that over. $5 what? Yeah, that's bullshit right there. He ain't lying. That ain't nothing but a small ass Chevelle.
That's all it look like.
Yeah, the baby mama Chevelle. Caddy got it. Caddy gone. That one looks like a star. Caddy gone.
Damn, B. car headquarters. Street God.
I like right leg. What do you like? Come on, right?
Ah, let me see. I gotta see this.